Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to unbox the Yuxin Cloud 5x5 and also this is my first 5x5. So let's get into the video. So here they have given us the manual how to solve the cube. And then here the cube. Actually they did not give any cover. Well, this is covered in lube. See the lube. Okay, on to the first turns. Oh my god, this is stiff out of the box. Holy. Okay. I have read many comments on this that it will be very good after breaking in. So how far is that good? I don't know. I'm gonna review this after a use of a week and then I'm gonna let you know, guys. Actually the color shades are very good. Green is more brighter, the white is just like white, and yellow is brighter, and red is more dark, and orange is more bright, and blue is also very dark. Actually it's just 53 millimeters compared to my 4x4. Wait a second, I'll compare it to my 4x4. Here we go. This is my 4x4. See how compact size is this. Mine is I think at 61 millimeters 4x4. So I have to do a more cover on my 4x4 because it does not corner cut. Hey, I forgot how the Yuxin Cloud corner cuts. Let's see. Very well. The tensions are pretty tight and I'm gonna have to lose it. Corner cutting. And now reverse. Reverse is not that much good. And on to the inner layers. Inner layers do pretty good corner cutting. Actually the outer layers are very smooth and the inner layers are a bit sluggish. If you are a beginner, I would definitely recommend this cube.